We got the classic Batmobile and the modern Batwing in this mix 2 of Batman Silver series. Do they make this entire set worth it? We are gonna find out in this video. Hey collectors, welcome back to the Collectiverse. As you have seen, today we will be unboxing the Hot Wheels 2026 Silver Series Batman Mix 2. Let's start with the first one. This is called Jaded, which is based on the Riddler theme. Not bad, I like the color on this one. It has that iconic Riddler's question mark at the top, and the front one as well. No detailing or tail light at the back, which is not a surprise. At the back you get name of the 5 castings in this set. Pretty basic. Front has some detailing, which is not bad. Let's take this out of the package to take a closer look. Not bad, very lightweight. It pretty much doesn't have any weight at all. The chassis might be die-cast. It doesn't feel plastic, but it could be, I don't know. It's very difficult sometimes. I see that, it's very cold when you touch it, so yeah, I'm pretty sure it's not plastic, but yeah, it's not metal as well, because it's very light. Color wise, I like the color, and the purple and green combination goes with the Riddler theme pretty well. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and enjoy this closer look. Next we got prototype H24, which is based on Mr. Freeze. Not bad. Another very basic casting, very average wheels, but still the artwork is much better compared to other Mr. Freeze releases that I have seen in the past couple of years. So in that case, it's an improvement, I would say. The artwork is pretty nice as well. Here you can take a look. Overall not bad, but yeah, I don't think you guys, or even I, collect these sets for these cars. But let's take a closer look. Here we go. I do like the artwork, the paint on this one. Wheels are pretty average, as I said. This one is plastic for sure. The chassis is plastic. The body might be die-cast, but for this one the body is plastic. Yep. Nothing much to say about this one. I do like the color and the art on the body. It says Mr. Freeze right here. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Probably would rank at number 4. This is 5. I can already tell. Next we have our first decent casting. This is the Batmobile from the Batman the Brave and the Bold animated series. Wasn't really a huge fan of that one, but yeah, I do like this Batmobile, this version of the Batmobile a lot. Whatever other variations I have, I do like pretty much all of them. Let me know if this is one of your most favorite Batmobiles or not. I do like the artwork on this as well. let's take it out of the package. Here you can see the artwork on the car. I do like the subtle yellow or golden and black combination. It has that matte finish, so that's a good thing. The wheel has a golden ring around it, so that's not bad. This would rank at number 2 in this mix. I do like it a lot. Maybe later someday I can compare all these all the version of this casting and see which one tops the rank. The second last casting is the speed box. So this is the Gotham City SWAT team's van, police van. Not bad. Probably gonna rank at number 3. Yeah. I do like the yellow and blue combination compared to other police vans. I think this one is a pretty good improvement. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Here you go. Again, very lightweight. Probably not lighter than this one, but still quite light. As I said, I do like the yellow and blue combination. Overall, a solid police van, I would say. Overall, a pretty solid police van, I would say. Let me know your thoughts and enjoy this closer look. And the last but not the least is the Batwing. I don't know what to say about this one. This is the best casting from this mix, without any doubt. And I believe, most of you guys are gonna agree with that. Yeah, the Batman vs Superman movies logo. I don't have the, all black one. So this is my first Batwing, this version of the Batwing, so I'm pretty excited for this. Not bad at all. Let's take it out of the package. Here we go. This is the stand with the silhouette of the logo, so that's not bad. I haven't seen this in anything, any castings yet. Any plane or anything. Yeah, so this is something new. Not bad. And here's the Batwing. Very nice, very well detailed. Like the silver on this one. It's quite heavy, so I'm pretty sure this is metal, and this part here is plastic. Yeah, you can already tell that. Do like the color combination, the subtle touch of orange, almost yellowish orange, so that's not bad. These black lines really adds some character to it. Let me know your thoughts. Definitely gonna rank at number 1 for me. Let me know if you if you have different opinion about this one. Very nice. Enjoy this closer look.